So we can walk quickly through the development of the model of atoms. As we can begin over with Dalton. Dalton deciding that all matter is made up of elements, and the elements are made up of atoms, and the atoms of each element are unique. Thompson, however, discovered that the atoms themselves are made up of even smaller particles, and he didn't exactly say how they were all configured. He just assumed they were all sort of mixed together in what he called the plum pudding model, or what became known as the plum pudding model. Rutherford began with that plum pudding model and trying to prove or find evidence that it was true, actually found evidence that it was not true. Rather than everything being kind of equally scattered out, Rutherford concluded that there was a dense central piece in which there is the neutrons and the protons, and he put the electrons just in orbits around outside the nucleus so that his alpha particles could pass through, and sometimes they would hit the nucleus and bounce off, which gave him the results that he wasn't expecting. Bohr went on to look at the electrons more closely and where they are. So Bohr decided that electrons are at fixed energy levels. He got that part right. They're at fixed energy levels, and certain numbers of them will appear at each energy level at any given time. And then he modeled that into like orbits like things on a planet, which turns out to not be an accurate model. Finally, in 1926, Schrodinger does some work and mathematically comes up with this electron cloud model. And this model represents that the electrons, while they're at fixed energy levels, it's not nice, tidy little orbits, but it's regions around the nucleus in which the electrons are found. So that's the progression of atomic theory.